Hi everyone, my name is iiqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Ding! Now, before I even begin with this video, I want to wish you all a very happy New Year. Let me know in the comments below how you celebrated your New Year's Eve. For me, I was just chilling in my bed, mentally preparing myself to enter 2023 and make it my year. And I know I will. Now, this video is a bit of a random one. The title obviously gives it away, but since I discovered the wonderful world of self-publishing using Amazon KDP, I have really wanted to release low-content book that makes my and your life a teeny tiny bit better. Last year when I was learning digital art, I released my first ever self-published coloring book called iiqrah. Look, it even says my name on it. And to this day, whenever I want to color and de-stress, I use my coloring book to do so. It is available on Amazon and Notion Press, so check it out if you want to. And thank you to everybody that did get a copy of this. Now, fast forward to 2022. I very much got into the habit of meditation, affirmations, and expressing gratitude. Added to this, I have been a journaler / diary writer, whatever you want to call me, for the longest time I can remember. I love writing my thoughts down. Have been doing that since I was 9 or 10 years or even younger. So my two habits, journaling and expressing gratitude, sort of combined together to start gratitude journaling. Basically just waking up in the morning and writing 3 things that I'm grateful for that day. This is my first and only ever gratitude journal. It's really tiny, size of my hand, and the first entry dates back to 6/6/2022. So 6th of June 2022, that's when I first wrote my first 3 things that I'm grateful for. So I wrote grateful for a private space in my house, grateful for reconnecting with my brother, grateful for my chill but super caring and loving parents. And then as the days went by, I've written 3 things that I've been grateful for. Let me just randomly pick a page. This one. So I'm super great. Oh, I don't want to share this. Okay. No. Some of them are really personal, so I don't want to share it on the internet. So this is 14th October 2022. I'm grateful I woke up at 5:30 today and meditated. I'm grateful I have access to therapy. I'm grateful I am so good at badminton. And I don't know if it's placebo effect or not, but it actually used to put me in a really good mood more than ever in my life and appreciate the little but also the huge things, accomplishments, whatever I feel grateful for. So now coming to November of 2022, 2 months back, I decided to work on my second self-published book based on this practice and release 100 days of gratitude journal right in time for New Year's. I have my very first author's copy of the gratitude journal that I created, and I can't wait to open it, start using it, and finally release it to you all on 14th February 2023. The best part, I think, is the 100 days are undated, so you can actually start using this journal any day of the year and even skip days of feeling grateful without any guilt. So let's get unboxing. I see it. Oh my god. Okay, the cover is yellow and I see it. Oh, look at that. 100 days of gratitude journal. I can't believe I have a physical copy of something that I created. Oh, also this is the journal company that I've come up with, the name and the logo. So it means dot and then down, so dot down. More like jot down but dot down, and it's just 100 days of you being able to document your journey. I'm super excited to start using it. Now the way sorry, I just want to take a moment to look at my pages. I think it's come out really well. The paper quality is not as up to the mark, but I don't have any control over the paper quality, but it's definitely usable. It's just that because it's black and white, and whenever I've used a proper black mark, It's sort of see-through. I don't know if you can see this, but yeah, the first page starts off with a feelings wheel. This is something that I've been using in therapy a lot, and it lists all the different, like over 100 sort of feelings. So this just gives you a better vocabulary of being able to express yourself. Then I also have a page for my affirmations, and you list down a bunch of affirmations that you want to remind yourself every day. The way I formatted this is, it's more of a 3-2-1 method that I came up with. The idea is you start off by listing 3 things that you're grateful for right after waking up. Then somewhere during the day you mention 2 people that you're grateful for in life. Could be people from present, past, strangers, friends, neighbors, anybody. And lastly, before you sleep, you mention 1 moment from your day that you're most grateful about, or that was your favorite. And there's also a small section to sort of just record any sort of feelings that you were feeling. So that's basically the layout for each day, and there are 100 days. But in addition to that, I've also included a few ponder prompts, as I would like to say, which you get in day 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So every 10 days you get a prompt. So let me just read out one for you. So the prompt is on the right side, and there's also like a coloring page, like a quote that you can color on. So one of the prompts is, think of a childhood memory that brings you a lot of joy. So I've included 2 love letters, 8 prompts, a few quotes as coloring pages, and every day like an undated version of gratitude journal. So essentially each day you wouldn't be spending more than 5 minutes completing an entire page. I'm super excited to actually genuinely use this as a customer, not just as an author, as well as other people that are into gratitude journaling can make use of this and get joy out of it. That is all for the video. Before you leave, comment down below one thing that you instantly think about, that you're grateful about right now in this moment. Subscribe, share. I'll put the link to buy this journal in the description. It is technically available to buy right now, but officially I want to release it on 14th Feb. Gift it to yourself or a loved one. Take care, be grateful. Okay, bye. Also, thank you to my Patreon supporters, Param and George. Thank you.